Hello everyone. Say hello. That's my dog Yana. Hello everyone. So it's Friday and it's been a big break and I'm back on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. You can subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube and also you can follow me on the Star Maker. My ID is 621-125-621-250-9526. Everything is not a career. Like when I do karaoke, it's not about career. It's just my stress buster. So whenever I feel stress, I feel like doing karaoke. It's not a career. Yeah, but I really love doing it. And it's all started during the COVID period when everyone was locked in their rooms. And at that time, I got this karaoke instrument, and this is my second karaoke instrument. And suddenly I got an app, the Star Maker app, which gave all the music. So from there it started, and I've never promoted my YouTube much, so that's why the subscribers are also very less. And in between, I was thinking of closing it also, and I left it for some time as well. But then I said, why to close it? Let's just let it keep it going, and whoever feels like burning their stress can even try it. So then again started doing it, and I don't see any reason for being for this channel to be blocked or anything. But yes, you can get copyrights on a few tracks. But yes, I do old karaoke's mostly, not very new. So as the tracks get older, I try to do it to burn my stress. So I'm back again on a Friday, and here I am trying to burn my further stress. And the tracks which are on my mind today, I'm going to be starting with a bit of an old track, which I really love, which I want to do now. So hopefully, maybe new ones. Nothing is. It's absolutely today. It's absolutely random for me. I've decided to be absolutely random today. So this one was running on my mind today, and yeah. Before I start, just want to say like I came back from I had a trip to Chandigarh. I came back from Chandigarh. It's a very interesting thing about this city, Chandigarh and Mohali. And one word which is on my mind from the time I've been back, and like from Chandigarh, it's a typical boys' room. So one from the time I've been back from Chandigarh is this word pinned, like sorry, not pinned, like I would say giddy, like. And Chandigarh is a beautiful city. Talking about Mohali, which was like a pinned, but it's not actually. It doesn't look like a pin now. It's like more of a city now. But yeah, this word looks more advanced when you use it in Chandigarh. Like I'm going, I heard it from many people's mouth, and it randomly coming out of my mind. I'm going to do a Gedi. I'm going for a Gedi to Sector 17, Sector 22. I'm going for a Gedi to a Rose Garden. I'm going to a Gedi to Sukna Lake. So, but when I tried this word in Dehradun, it doesn't work for me. I feel very odd, but it's naturally over there. The vibes are quite different. I really loved. I've visited very few places in India. One of them is Chandigarh, which is one of my favorites, and Mohali as well, and Jaipur as well. I haven't seen much of India. So, and of course, Cardiff in UK always hits my heart. So here is, I'm not doing any Gedi today. I'm doing some karaoke's. Hopefully you like it. If you like it, follow me on the Star Maker. My ID is 621125095226, and also on YouTube where it is Rohit Wandering Stallion. Here I go with the first one, which is on my mind today is, which I want to do about the weather today. I really love the winters. Winters are amazing weathers, and I want to do this. And it's a very old track, and which I really old karaoke, which I want to try. Hopefully, I get it on the app. Hopefully, yeah, it's sung by the amazing Mohammad Rafiji, and I want to try this. Aaj Mausam, Bada Beman. It's for the weather. I love winters. I can step out in the winters anywhere. I want to try it. आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है। आज मौसम आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है। आज मौसम आने वाला कोई तूफान है, कोई तूफान है। आज मौसम क्या हुआ है, हुआ कुछ नहीं है। क्या हुआ है, हुआ कुछ नहीं है। बात क्या है पता कुछ नहीं है। मुझसे कोई खता हो गई तो इसमें मेरी खता कुछ नहीं है। खूबसूरत है तू, रुत जवान है। आज मौसम, ओ आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम। काली काली घटा चल रही है। काली काली घटा चल रही है। ठंडी आहें हवा भर रही है। सबको क्या क्या गुमा हो रहे हैं। हर कली हम पे शक कर रही है। फूलों का दिल भी बदगुमान है। आज मौसम, हो आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम। ऐ मेरे यार, ऐ हुस्न वाले, ऐ मेरे यार, ऐ हुस्न वाले। दिल किया मैंने तेरे हवाले। तेरी मंजिल पे अब बात ठहरी। जीने दे चाहे तू मार डाले। तेरे हाथों में अब मेरी जान है। आज मौसम, हो आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम। हो आज मौसम, आज मौसम, हो आज मौसम, हो आज मौसम, हो आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम। What a beautiful track. करोगे आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा। Back to karaoke with this track. So, if you want to burn your stress, you can follow me on the Star Maker app. MID is 6211250952 and also subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. So this was the first one, and I'm going to do one more. It's a Friday evening before I go to my gym as well. So yeah, so this one is like running. It's a bit of a Punjabi touch to this. Whenever I go towards Chandigarh, Punjab, I always feel like whenever this one hits my mind, and this time I went for a solo trip, for just solo trip for a month, for a week. It was work trip plus I visited a few places. I went to lovely place Sukna Lake. I went to Rose Garden. I went to Sector 17. I went to Sector 22, and I went to relive my youth by going to a zoo as well. That's Chadbir Zoo. So it's quite amazing. And before I say goodbye for now, I want to do one more for the karaoke, which I want to do is, yeah, I want to do this Punjabi one. Feel, yeah. Hopefully I find it. No, it's not showing here. Hopefully it's there on the app. Yes, it's there. No, yeah, it's there. Yeah, yeah. I'm doing it. Beautiful one, sung in male and female voice. Beautiful track. Aj din chadya. Going to go slow. See you again tomorrow or day after tomorrow. आज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, आज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, फूल सा है खिला आज दिन, रब मेरे दिल बिना डले, वो जो मुझे ख्वाब में मिले, उसे तू लगा दे अब गले, तेनु दिल दा वास्ता, रबाया दर्द यार को, सारा जहां छोड़ छाड़ के मेरे सपने सवार दे, तेनु दिल दा वास्ता, आज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा। बख्शा गुनाहों को सुन के दुआओं को, रब्बा प्यार है तूने सबको ही दे दिया, मेरी भी आहों को सुन ले दुआओं को, मुझको वो दिला मेरे जिसको है दिल दिया। मांगा दुआओं को मेरे, कौन सी तुझसे जन्नत मांग ली, आसमां आसमां उसको तू इतना बता, वो जो मुझे देख के हंसे, पाना चाहूँ रात दिन जिसे, रब्बा मेरे नाम करे उसे, तेरू दिल दा वास्ता, आज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा। मांगा जो मेरा है जाता क्या तेरा है, मैंने कौन सी तुझसे जन्नत मांग ली, कैसा खुदा है तू बस नाम का है तू, रब्बा जो तेरी इतनी सी भी ना चली हो। चाहिए जो मुझे कर दे तू मुझको अदा, जीती रहे सल्तनत तेरी, जीती रहे आशिकी मेरी, दे दे मुझे जिंदगी मेरी, तेनू दिल दा वास्ता, रब्बा मेरे दिल भी ना डले, वो जो मुझे ख्वाब में मिले, उसे तू लगा दे अब गले, तेनू दिल दा वास्ता। रबाया दर्द यार के, सारा जहां छोड़ छाड़ के, मेरे सपने सवार दे, तेनू दिल दा वास्ता। अज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, अज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, अज दिन चढ़िया। This was a very, very tough karaoke. आज दिन चढ़िया. See you again tomorrow. आज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा, फूल सा है खिला आज दिन, रब मैनू दिन भी ना ढले, वो जो मुझे ख्वाब में मिले, उसे तो जाले अब गले, तनु दिल दा वास्ता. So this was a very, very tough track, and I said goodbye. No, I'm coming with another one. The last one, the third one, which I want to do. You can follow me. Definitely, this is going to be my last one. So, the singlism vibes. There's nothing related. I have not got someone in my life yet, but really love this track, which I'm going to do now, which has been, it stars an amazing Akshay Kumar as well, and I really love doing it. I want to do it. So, as I said, it's not my career. It's like I want to burn my stress, and that's why. And this channel was open during the peak COVID period, so, and a very short set of subscribers were still there, so I want to be there for them. So follow me on the Star Maker MID 6211250952 and also on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. Here I go for the next one. Hopefully I find it here, which is a very, very beautiful track I love. Hopefully I find it straight away. Yeah, I found it. सजदे किए हैं लाखों, लाखों दुआएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे. Still singleism, so yeah, of course you feel attraction towards few people, so it's not directed towards someone, anyone. At the moment I'm still single, so just the track which is on my mind, and I love it. I sometimes feel this similar to when I was in Cardiff and when I went to Rose Garden recently in Chandigarh. Seeing the beautiful weather, place, grass, and beautiful city of Cardiff. Probably it's dedicated to that. Burning my stress, you can also burn your stress by downloading the app Star Maker and also YouTube. Hopefully I get the suits right. सजदे किए हैं लाखों, लाखों दुआएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे. चाहत की तेरी मैंने हक में हवाएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे. तुझसे ही दिल ये बहला, तू जैसे कलमा बहला, चाहूं न फिर क्यों मैं तुझे. जिस पल न चाहा तुझको, उस पल सजाए मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे. ओ सजदे किए हैं लाखों, लाखों दुआएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे. जाने तू सारा वो दिल में जो मेरे हो, पढ़ ले तू आंखें हर दफा। ओ जाने तू सारा वो, हो जाने तू सारा वो दिल में जो मेरे हो, पढ़ ले तू आंखें हर दफा। हाँ, नखरे से नाजी भी होते भी राजी भी, तुझसे ही होती है खफा। जाने तू बातें सारी, काटे हैं रातें सारी, जलते दिए से उन बुझे। हो उठ उठ के रातों को भी तेरी वफाएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे। हो सजदे किए हैं लाखों लाखों दुआएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे। चाहत के काजल से किस्मत के कागज पे अपनी वफाएं लिख जरा। हाँ चाहत के काजल से, ओ चाहत के काजल से किस्मत के कागज पे अपनी वफाएं लिख जरा। बोले जमाना यूं ही मैं तेरे जैसा हूँ, तू भी तो मुझसा दिख जरा। मेरा ही साया तू है, मुझ में समाया तू है, हर पल ये लगता है मुझे। खुद को मिटाया मैंने, तेरी बलाएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे। चाह तो चाह मुझको ऐसी अदाएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे। हाँ पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे। हो पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे। सजदे किए हैं लाखों लाखों दुआएं मांगी, पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे. So I managed to burn a lot of my stress today. So follow me. Just download the Star Maker app. My ID is 6211250956. You can follow me there and try your own karaoke's over there as well. And also on YouTube with Rohit Wanting Stallion on YouTube. So now it's time to say goodbye before I start to feel stressed because I'm already tired. And you can listen to me on YouTube, and you'll find this on stories also for 24 hours. Few of these posts on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram is Rohit Wanting Stallion again on Instagram, and on Facebook also it's the same. So I'll be back again sometime tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I don't know. See you then. Regularly on the Star Maker app, sometimes on YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.